You are going to love the 2024 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.